Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fish house at home. First, carefully plan your project by deciding on the ideal size and location. Gather all necessary materials, such as lumber, insulation, and roofing, before you begin. Ensure you have the right tools on hand, and always check local building regulations to avoid any issues. This initial planning saves time and effort. Now, let's get to building. Begin by constructing a sturdy base frame, ideally using treated lumber for durability. Next, erect your wall studs, making sure they are perfectly plumb and square for a stable structure. Install exterior sheathing to provide structural integrity and a surface for your siding. Don't forget to cut out precise openings for your windows and a door. With the frame up, it's time to make your fish house comfortable. Add insulation to the walls, floor, and ceiling to keep it warm during colder months. Install interior paneling or plywood for a clean, finished look inside. Carefully seal all gaps and cracks to prevent any drafts. Also, consider adding a simple ventilation system to ensure good air quality. Finally, let's complete your fish house. Install the roof trusses and then apply your chosen roofing material to protect against the elements. Securely attach a functional door and windows. Inside, you might want to add convenient features like benches or shelves for your gear. Finish by applying exterior paint or stain for protection and a great look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.